Hello everyone, this is your English teacher Mrs. Aimavati from LP Savani Vidya Bhavan. Students, today we are going to start with a new chapter, The Bear Story from the book An Alien Hand. This story is all about a bear which was found in the forest half dead of hunger, and it was so small and helpless that it was brought up on the bottle by the lady and the old cook. So, here the story begins. Once there lived a lady on the border of a big forest. She found a bear cub in the forest. It was starving. It was quite helpless also, and the lady had to bring it up on the bottle. The cook helped the lady in order to bring it up. After many years, it grew up to a big and strong bear. However, he was a most amiable bear. Amiable means friendly. He harmed neither men nor beasts. Beasts means wild animals. There were 3 mountain ponies in the stable. Even these ponies did not feel frightened when he walked into the stable. So, he also looked amiably at the cattle. The children used to ride on his back. They had also been found asleep in his kennel between his 2 paws. The 3 dogs, they loved to play with him. They pulled his ears, teased him in every way, but he did not mind it at all. One day, next the bear ate the same food as the dogs. He ate bread, porridge, potatoes, cabbages and turnips. Porridge means it is a kind of cereal dish which is made with grains, milk and starch plants. He had a good appetite. He used to see with his wistful eyes at the apples in the orchard, but he was not allowed to climb the tree and eat them. He had also been taught not to touch the beehives. He was once put on the chain for 2 days when he had touched the beehives. Otherwise, he was chained only at night. Like a dog, a bear also does not like to be chained. So, he was only chained, it was only chained at night. The lady one day visited her sister's place. So, every Sunday the lady was visiting her sister's place. Her sister lived on the other side of the mountain lake. It was not safe to go with the bear through the forest. So, on the Sundays the bear was on chain the whole afternoon. It was not also safe for the bear to wander about in the forest with all its temptations. And the bear was also a bad sailor because once he got frightened at the sudden gust of the wind and he had upset the boat, and he and his mistress had to swim to the shore. So, for that reason the lady never thought to take the bear with her. One Sunday, while walking through the dense forest, she found the bear following her. So, the lady was very angry. It was already time, she was already late to go to her sister's place. So, there was no time to take him back home. She did not even want him to come with her. So, she told him in her hardest tone to go back. She threatened him with her parasol. Parasol means umbrella, the umbrella which she was carrying with her. The bear did not seem to want to obey her. Then the lady saw that bear had even lost his new collar, which was tied around his neck. So she hit the bear with her parasol so hard that the parasol broke into two pieces. Then the bear stopped and opened his mouth several times as if the bear wanted to say something to the lady. Then he turned round and went back. However, she stopped now and then to look back at the lady. However, that is, he stopped now and then to look back at the lady. At last, she lost sight of him. So, when the lady came back in the evening, she found the bear looking very sorry for himself. It was so because he had been sitting there for the whole day and he was waiting for the mistress to come back. Sitting in the same position, he had been waiting for the lady. He was he could not do his daily activities also. So the lady was still very angry. She began to scold the bear. She said that the bear that though he followed her in the forest, so she got very angry. So when she came back, she found the bear looking very sorry for himself. So she began to scold the bear. She said that he would be chained for 2 more days as punishment. So the old cook heard the lady and rushed out from the kitchen. She loved the bear as her own son. So she asked the lady to bless him instead of scolding him, because the bear had been sitting there for the whole day and he was waiting for the lady to come back so that when he will be free. So the bear, she said, had been sitting there all day as meek as an angel. Meek means quiet. Okay. So it was then that the lady realized that she had met another bear in the forest. So this is all about the story, and so the bear story teaches us that no decision should be made without assessing the situation, without knowing the situation completely. One should not react. Next is, the lady hurriedly decided to punish the bear by chaining him for 2 days. On arriving home later in the evening, she started scolding the bear without even listening to the other side. So she was mistaken by seeing the other bear and thought that this was the pet bear which was following and disobeying her. So one should not react without assessing the situation. So this is all about the story and what we learned from this story. Thank you.